Hey guys, good morning and welcome to another vlog. So today is going to be a cleanup day. Just finishing up my coffee and then after this, start na ako dito sa dining habang si Art ay nanonood naman siya sa sala. Magmamap ako dito, punas-punas and all those stuff. Guys, so dining area is clean. Done mopping the floors, wiping anything and everything na madalas hinahawakan, like mga knobs and all that. Pati dito sa kitchen, nagawa ko na yun. And pati yung sa sala namin, yung mga switch, doorknobs and all that. Okay, so I'm just gonna rest for a bit and then maybe later sa sala naman tayo. We'll see how this day will go.
I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down, you could lead me to the side. You still raising me up, but when I look aside, she guides me with the sun and light of me. It ain't over, it ain't over. It ain't over, it ain't over. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it. I'm not done, I just want me to find it. Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it.
Hi guys, good morning and welcome to another vlog. So I just want to sit here, literally here sa floor, and yesterday I did vlog, you saw it. I did a cleaning vlog. I cleaned our dining, kitchen, and this, hi, and the living room. And then and then nung hapon na, no, that's not fire, that's sunlight. And then after cleaning the sala, pahinga ko, naligo, nag-lunch. And so after lunch, I took a nap. And then, after my nap, for some weird reason, I felt so weak. Hindi ko alam. Akala ko magkakasakit ako. So, nagpahinga lang ako. Nagpahinga hanggang mga nakabawi ako, mga magsi-6 o'clock na. And, thankfully, hindi naman ako nagkasakit. Wala. I think nabigla lang yung katawan ko kasi nakakapagod maglinis dito sa baba. So, today sana ang gagawin ko is maglilinis ako ng second floor, particularly yung aming library, kwarto namin, and yung banyo sa taas. But, we'll see. I don't want to force myself kasi feeling ko doon talaga ako magkakasakit kapag pinwersa ko yung sarili ko. So, titingnan ko pa. I'll see kung ano yung magagawa ko today. But, siguro yung library, uunahin ko siya. Total, ang gagawin ko lang naman doon is more on punas-punas, wales, ganyan. And also our room. But, we'll see kung magagawa ko makapaglinis ng maraming lugar today. But yun, thought I'd share that with you because it's so weird. Nagnap ako to regain energy, pero imbis na ma-regain yung energy ko, for some reason, nanghina ako talaga as in. Hi guys!
Hi, Dad.
This is my truck.
What's this car?
Car, okay. Thank you. See, this is my car. Say good morning. Okay, so yun lang. Wait lang, nawala na naman ako sa focus. Okay, so yun lang. Shinare ko lang kung ano yung nangyari kahapon kasi abrupt na naman po natapos ang ating vlog as per usual. And yeah. Okay. Be right back. I forgot to bring out the hot dog. So, we will be having hot dogs and eggs for breakfast. Gusto ko lang yan. Don't eat hot dogs a lot. I think, kumakain namin ng hot dogs every 2 months or 3 months. Basta, hindi siya every month or every week. Yeah, but today we will have that for breakfast kasi matagal-tagal na rin kami hindi kumakain ng hotdog. So, yun. Ark is busy watching. I know not advisable, but we just give him time to watch. Pero, meron din siyang time na mostly kapag umaakyat sila, naglalaro silang tatlo sa taas sa library. Yun, hindi naman siya nanonood ng ganon. Or minsan, intentionally pinapatay namin yung TV, wala siyang tab or whatever dito sa baba para maglaro lang siya. Okay guys, so I just finished filming. Okay, so just a quick kwento. So, yung film ko ngayon, yun yung film ko nung Monday. Unfortunately, yung clips nung film ko nung Monday, na nasasayangan ako ng sobra dahil gustong-gusto ko yung makeup ko yun. Yun lang talaga. Siyempre, sayang na film ko na yun. Hindi siya nag-work sa editor. As in, for some reason, nagsastop siya at a specific point and hindi ko siya ma-edit ng maayos. I don't know what happened. But anyway, so ayan, finilm ko na lang ulit. Medyo iba, but it's okay. Same thought, same idea of the video, of the concept of the video. Medyo meron lang ako mga naiba na mga sinabi, but well, such is life. Alam mo, hindi naman ako nagsusulat ng script. Hindi ako nagsusulat, ba't ba nakapatong mo ako yan? Hindi ako nagsusulat ng script for my chat time, so very spontaneous, casual talaga siya every time. And ayun. So, syempre, hindi na siya magiging ganun kapareho. But yeah, I'm glad na I'm done. So, bala ko, meron pa akong isang i-film na chat time din. Yeah, meron pa akong isang i-film na chat time din. But else, blah. Pero hindi ko pa sure kung ma-film ko ngayon dahil narinig ko si Ark umiiyak pa siya. Tagal ko kasi nakapag-start mag-film dahil ayun, basta. Ayun na nga. So, sige. Ako'y magbabalik later. Tingnan ko kung makakapag-film pa ako ng isa pa. Okay. So, finished filming 2 chat times. Yung isa yung kailangan ko i-refilm. Ewan ko kung naririnig nyo ako dahil may TV. And yung isa ay bagong chat time. Supposedly, yun talaga yung i-film ko today and another one. But since kailangan ko nga mag-refilm, wala tayong magagawa. Ayan. So, magsisimula ulit ako mag-edit. Nakakainis. Sayang yung effort ko na i-edit yung unang video. But anyway, ganun talaga ang buhay. So, ayan. Mag-edit na ako para naman ma-upload ko siya hopefully tomorrow. Tatry ko tonight. Pero I'm sure. Hindi ko masabi. Hindi ko alam kung kakayanin tonight. So, yeah. I'm just drinking my afternoon drink, which is turmeric plus lemon. So, yeah. Okay. Be right back. I'll try to be back later.